the road in Ghana. Ghana people that you people keep insulting Nigeria. We came to shoot in Ghana. We are in Ghana now. This Kumasi region. We are in Ghana. Look at Ghana. Look at the country in Ghana. Ghana, come to Nigeria and see what is happening in Nigeria. Come and see the kind of roads we have in Nigeria. You can never look at Ghanaians. Look at their streets. Look at this is Okada in Ghana. The streets in Ghana, horrible. Yes. Look at the students from Ghana coming back from school. Look at the streets. Look at Okada in Ghana. Look at the gates in Ghana. Okay, look at the streets. Look at people cannot even enjoy the facilities that they are paying for in Ghana. This is a school in Ghana. This school is for deaf and dumb in Ghana. Look at a junction in Ghana. This is how Ghana looks like in this Kumasi region. This is Kumasi region in Ghana. Okay, look at the road. Okay, now we want to branch. Someone is taking us to where we can eat food in Ghana, Kumasi region. This is the road, and these are the houses around. Look at the houses. And in the middle of the road here in Ghana, you will see at a point that we were walking, people were speaking Twi and we don't understand Twi, and it's a beautiful language. We love the language called Twi. This is the goat. The goat looks like Nigerian goat also. Whoa, look at the major road that we were supposed to walk, but nobody can walk through that road. So what we have to do, we have to walk through the pedestrians. Now look at the road. Look at the road. The road is full of goats, chicken. Look at, you are passing through. Look at how people are passing through. Let me show you. Now, filming. Look at how they are walking. This is it. This is how we're walking. This is the road in Ghana. Imagine Ghanaians, they will be insulting Nigerians, yet they don't have a better road. Their road is very bad. Look at Ghana. Oh, Ghanaians, this is a shame. This is a very big shame. Okay, they have a Highlander parked here. Okay, look at their roads. Okay, it seems they're trying to refix. This is a Honda. That's Honda vehicle. Look at. Okay, it seems they're trying to fix this other side of the road. Oh goodness Lord, Ghana is very somehow. But then I want to say Nigeria is like the bigger brothers of Ghanaians. So I don't blame them for too much. Nigeria is far better than Ghana. So that's why I don't blame them too much. We are like their senior brothers. We are only trying to help them grow. It's just that Ghanaians are naturally stubborn. They don't want to be humble. They don't want to be humble. So that Nigeria can show them the way. Okay, these are shops on Ghana Road. This is how their shops looks like. Okay, look at it. They sell Ugu in Ghana. See? And most of the people we are seeing here in Ghana, most of them are Nigerians. Yeah. Ghanaians are their population is not much compared to Nigerian population. So in their streets, you hardly see population on their streets. There's not much traffic in their streets. Look at the roads are dried. People are very few. In a day, you can count all the people passing through one street, and they are not up to 1,000 for a day. So this is a street. This is Slim Park. walking that Slim Park. He really enjoy. He's the one. He's the one that knows most of this road in Ghana. He knows all the shortcuts. He brought us here. He invited us to Ghana. So he really enjoy all this Ghanaian food. Yeah, especially tuwo. He calls it tuolistic. Yeah, that is how it is. Okay, guys, when we get to where we want to eat tuwo, we'll continue the video. But before then, catch the cruise. This is the road. This is the road that leads to where we are going to eat. The wonderful, delicious tuwo. This side is starred. This area, this side is starred. The Okada is riding. And now the Ghana guy is selling bakupak. I don't know how it is called in Ghana. So we entered another street. It is Slim Park. Ajobo is the one leading us to the place because he's in Ghana for some time. Yeah. So we continue when we get there. Thank you.